Hello students, my name is Abhishek Shah and I am going to teach you chemistry. Before starting, first of all I will tell a little about me. I was born and brought up in Kolkata. I attended Khalsa Model Senior Secondary School, North Kolkata from nursery to HS. At HS I chose science stream and I was awarded AISSCE Subject Topper Award for chemistry. After that, my journey for higher education started, of course, with chemistry. I did Bachelor's in Science from St. Anandram Japuria College, which comes under University of Calcutta. After that, I cleared CUCET exam 2019 with All India rank 72 and I did Masters in Chemistry from Central University of Rajasthan. Recently this year, I completed my post graduation and waiting for my final results. My academic score till last semester was approximately 80% and I have 3 years of teaching experience as a private tutor. I have good hand in scientific research as well. I attended summer research training program organized by CSIR Nest Jorhat and in few months I am going to have my first international scientific research paper. My future plan is of pursuing PhD in medicinal chemistry. The reason why I choose to be a teacher is because a teacher have chance of impacting the education system. A teacher with his knowledge shapes the society and gets huge respect in return. Teacher plays an important role in making future of his students and I believe that as a teacher I can do that very well and more than a teacher I could be a mentor, a friend to my students. A teacher is recognized for their role in the society. This profession gives chance of learning with students and imparting values to them. I am thankful to all my teachers for because of their teaching, their wisdom, their knowledge, I am what I am today. So all this motivated me for becoming a teacher. That was all about me. Let's jump to today's topic. So I am going to teach you substitution reaction. So what is substitution reaction? In substitution reaction, a functional group is replaced by another functional group. It is one of the basic reactions that we come across in organic chemistry. For example, you see this RCl. Here R denotes an alkyl group. If we put NaCN to it, the Cl minus replace RCl to give RCN plus NaCl. So here you can see that Cn is replacing Cl to give RCN. So this is a substitution reaction. It is basically of three types: electrophilic, where an electrophile participates in substitution; nucleophilic, where a nucleophile participates in substitution; and free radical, where a free radical participates in substitution. So radical substitution, I gave you example, chlorination of methane, where in presence of light, this can be diffuse sunlight or UV light, it's giving CH3Cl, that the methane is chlorinated, and HCl as side product. So it comprises of three steps. The mechanism starts with initiation of the reaction, where the weak Cl-Cl bond is broken by in the presence of light and gives 2 Cl radicals. After that, the second step is of propagation, where Cl free radical attacks the CH bond and gives homolysis fission to produce CH3 free radical and HCl as a product. This CH3 radical combines with Cl minus Cl radical to give CH3Cl, which was our product. The last step is the termination of the reaction, where the reaction finally stops due to the consumption of the reactants or due to some other side reactions like both Cl free radical combines back to give Cl2, or CH3 radical combines with Cl radical to give the product CH3Cl. So this was the mechanism of radical substitution reaction. So I have a question for you. In this reaction, we are getting methane as well as a side product. So your job is to search the answer why so. Why we are getting methane as a side, not methane, ethane. Ethane as a side product. So I will give you answer to this question at last of this video. Next we are going to study Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, which is a electrophilic substitution reaction. You can see an arene here, and when CHCl3 is added to it in anhydrous AlCl3 presence, it gives alkylation of the arene and HCl as the side product. So we will see the mechanism of this reaction. Here it comprises of three steps. First is the generation of electrophile, where AlCl3 anhydrous is generating CH3 plus, which is acting as electrophile. We know AlCl3, Al is electron deficient, so it has vacant d orbital, so it takes electron from Cl and giving such electrophile. AlCl3 is acting as Lewis acid. Second is the formation of carbocation intermediate. There the arene is reacting with the electrophile, so the electrophile is attacking the arene to give a sigma complex. Here this carbon is sp3 hybridized, and this carbocation generated here is stabilized by the resonance. But this ring lost its aromaticity. So the third step is the removal of proton to gain back the aromaticity of this arene. So the proton last reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction, and this is example of hydrolysis of alkyl bromide, where OH minus attacks the R and Br minus is removed and we get ROH. So this was all about the three types of substitution reaction. I gave you one question, why we are getting ethane while chlorination of methane. The answer is the methane radicals can also combine to give ethane as the product. So I hope you enjoyed, and we will meet in future. Due to lack of time, I can't go to the depth of the subject, but no problem. If I get chance in future, I will teach you all the three reactions again in detail, and in future I will teach you with the help of a pen tab using a laptop. Thank you. This was all from my side. Hope you enjoyed.